Okay, welcome back to my channel again. So there was a gap of couple of weeks. I was not in town, but coming back to digital transformation journey. So in couple of weeks, what happened? So there is a frontier agent which we come to know, right? So when I say frontier agent, basically there are a lot of use case across the organizations, companies, and etc. So when I say frontier agent, it is basically kind of imitating or helping the frontier employees to do the things much more faster and better, which is effective for an organization to grow from a digital transformation journey. Okay, so now we are talking about agentic AI, and etc. whatnot. So when we talk about frontier agents, so let's take an example of a store, right? We have big stores where multiple associates are working across the floors, and there are store managers who is taking care of the associates plus also looking at the sales and etc. Now, on a very fine day, one associate turned up saying that, and he's fit and fine, reached office, and started selling his area. Let's say it's a cert. So he's good at cert to explain to the customers, explain the designs, what is fit for a customer to take it, and with a broad understanding of rates and then whatnot about the company's current offers. Suddenly, after he reaches to the store, after 15-20 minutes, he got not a very good health, so she thought of taking it off. Now, in a real time situations in the store, what generally happens? So he will ask his colleague, or he will go to the store manager and tell that, boss, I'm not able to stand because I'm not feeling well, so I would be taking a off, right? So then store manager will be definitely a little bit of tensed because he has not prepared for it. It's a ad hoc leave. And why he will not be prepared? Because in stores and this type of organization there is a well maintained shift and rosters are in place. So when this roster needs to be updated, there are few things which we need to do and keep in mind. That is, who will be replacing? So if I am releasing this person, then who will be replacing that area to manage, right? We don't have a lot of backup planned for that area, right? So normally what happens is, yes, we cannot deny because he's not feeling well. As a store manager, I would say, yes, please go ahead and take it off. Okay, and then it's store manager's plan or a thought process that how do I manage it. Okay, so then he will reach out to someone who is in a different floor and etc., or somebody is coming back from a leave to just to check if he can come and join the shift, right? So here these things definitely takes time, and you need to call and etc. So now in frontier agentic AI, what it does is, let's say if you are having a good ERP solution you are using, right, and where your rosters are maintained, where shifts are maintained, your employees or the associates are maintained with the skill set what they're good at of selling, right? So how it will help is, let's say take an example of where he is not feeling well, so he will just send an SMS to other agent or a mailbox or a AI bot or whatever it is, and saying that I'm not feeling well, I wanted to take you off. That's all. Then that frontier agent will take that message. He will go to the system, whatever ERP system is. It will check if that person have the leave balance or not. Okay, first check. Yes, if that is true, if he has the leave balance and etc., then it will go and check the roster, and it will update the roster, and in the parallel run it will go and check who is available in the store who has the same skill set, who can replace this person to do the work, or if anybody is available and who can reach out, right? So these things will be done by the frontier agent. So as soon as it will find someone who is working in the store, it will send a notification to him or her saying that there is a emergency, if you can join and help this segment of sales. So in that case, if he accepts or she accepts, that's all. Then it automatically update the roster. It will update the leave balances for the employee. Then it send the notification to manager that this person is going on leave and the new person is coming back, and he will manage the roster, the shift. You please take care of the roster. And if that person is getting an extended working hours, please take care of the overtime and etc. Fabulous. So it's a flawless automation where frontier agents are doing. So now why I'm talking about this is, so these are all the cases where we see in the day to day organizations and etc. Go to hospitals, go to stores, whatnot, wherever there is a public relations are exist, right? So and really this transformations, HR leaders, technology leaders, they should think about it, how agentic AI, frontier agentic AI can help here and get the things done, right? So there are a lot of use case, happy to discuss more and help you with the understanding how we can do it. So just wanted to highlight that world is moving, so think differently and let's try to do more digital transformation. Thank you for listening. See you in a different blog. Thank you.